Hello guys, welcome to another video to your channel how to do it. On today's video I'm gonna be showcasing the Apple ecosystem. Yeah, so I got a MacBook right here, got a MacBook, I got an iPad, and I got an iPhone. So I got these three components for the Apple ecosystem, and I'm gonna be showcasing some features. So we're gonna go through it throughout the video, and we're gonna check how good it is, the features and the different things that you can do with the ecosystem. So without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, we want to have our settings on so the ecosystem works. So that's so easy by searching on settings on any device, on any Apple device. Just type handoff and just go to allow handoff, and right there the continuity has to be on right here. As you can see, I got everything on right here, so we got everything working seamless. Once we have handoff on, everything is gonna work as one. So let's see how our iPad can be attached to our MacBook. So we can extend the screen. So basically right here I got a stand out already. So the Raphael's iPad, which is my iPad, I extended it. So let's see how it looks and what we can do to make it better. As you can see right here, the screen is extended. So I just moved the mouse to the side. It appears here. I got a third screen with OBS, but it goes through that screen and it comes to this one. So one, two, three to the iPad. So right here, and even we can get our menu bar right here. So I would like to show you how to take that off, which is really easy. Just go, let me focus right here. Just go to this icon right here, and then you just go to high sidebar. As you can see, it's not there anymore. Let me focus. It's not there anymore. So right here. And then to get this one off right here, you just go to the same spot and then hide touch bar. Honestly, I don't find any usage for that. So right here, you got a clean screen. So right here, you can do whatever you want on this screen. Is using the power of the MacBook on a screen of the iPad. So that's pretty good. It's pretty convenient. Another thing you can do with the Apple ecosystem is to mirror your phone in your MacBook. So let's do that. So iPhone mirroring. So right now it's saying able to connect to iPhone mirror. It's currently using Sidecar. Oh, so basically, um, so I got this message right here. It's not, so I just noticed that it's not possible to it's to get the iPad and the iPhone working together. So I have to disconnect the iPad in order to use my iPhone, which is not convenient. So I don't know why that happens. So if I go to try it again, so it shows all these things right here. So let's disconnect the iPad. So I figured out how to disconnect the iPad. So just go here on this icon and just go to Rifle's iPad and disconnect it. So connect it, disconnect it, and just like that, I'm gonna try again. It is gonna let me. So good thing to know, you have to have the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So like that, you can mirror it like this, like right here. One thing I don't like about is that you cannot make it like bigger. It's just the way it is. So it shows this screen right here, and it's all it gets. So you cannot make it bigger or smaller. You can minimize it how I did right there and maximize it. So let's navigate through the phone. So the cool feature that I have on this one to show you is that you can drop the pictures right here to your MacBook. So right here, you got the picture. In this case, it's a video, which is cool because you don't have to connect your phone with a cable or something like that. So you just mirror it and you can even drop whatever you want right here. So let's just erase this one. So this is a cool feature on the Apple ecosystem. So that's all I got for today's video. I have discovered that. So if I discover more things to do, I will let you know. I will upload a video. So if you like the video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel to help me out a little bit. So thank you for watching, and this is how to do it.